Abdul Rahman, my friend, why going around with bride list? I keep dreaming of the bride list, Yaya.
What was the outcome of the meeting with your wife's family?
They insisted that I provide the items in the bride list. I was told to leave Amina alone until the bride price is paid. What do you plan on doing now? I don't just know for now. I think I have a solution.
Really? A solution?
Yes! What is the solution? Just get her pregnant.
Oh, I think it's a good idea. Yes, we go with this.
I will behave as if I'm no more interested when she is pregnant.
Now you get it. So they will start begging me to marry her with anything I can afford since she is pregnant.
Bravo, my friend. That's the point of my solution.
Thanks, Yaya. My friend, I'm really grateful.
What are friends for?
I pray Amina go agree with me on this solution.
If she love you, she go agree.
You sure? I sure.